Welcome to another video, guys, and in today's video I am at my mentoring student Nick Dimmel's latest purchase. It's a 2-bedroom property and I'm going to show him how to turn it from a 2-bedroom into a 4-bedroom, adding value, and I'm also going to discuss on what lessons he has learned from his last project to this one. So come inside, let's have a chat with him. We're inside the property now. Nick's here on my left hand side. Guys, this is Nick. He's one of our one-on-one mentoring students. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for coming up.
This is your latest purchase?
Yes, it is.
And what was the reason you bought this property?
Just because it's in the town centre and yeah, just I put forward lower offer and they accept it.
Okay, what was the purchase price?
So the purchase price was 65,000 for this property.
Okay, and what's your potential refurbishment budget?
So I'm expecting roughly around 30 grand.
Okay.
But it can be more. It depends on once we do the renovation.
Yep. Okay. Nick has one of our contractors who has been round, Darren.
Yes.
You've met him?
Yeah.
Was it last week?
Yes, it was last week, yeah.
And he's gone round, he's talked to you about some bits and pieces, and he's going to get a quote back to you.
Exactly, yeah.
But today I'm going to walk round and see what I think should be done to it as well as what you think should be done to it.
Yeah.
And maybe see if we can add some improvement somewhere.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. Another question, your last renovation you did, we filmed for the channel.
Yeah.
Guys, video's there if you haven't seen it. And there was a few things that you probably could have improved on. Have you taken note of them to move into this one?
Yes, definitely, absolutely. Yeah, there are a few things that I've learned from my last project. Number one is builders.
Yep.
So I want to make sure that I have do the right due diligence on builder and managing them with the right contract. And another thing is power team, because power team, they can make or break the deal. Yeah. So these are the few things I learned.
Okay. So your power team,
Yeah.
which is your accountant, your solicitor, and your mortgage broker. 2 out of the 3 are people that we've put forward to you from our side.
Yeah.
And how have you found working with them, the solicitor and the broker?
It's absolutely good. Yeah.
Okay, guys, we have an in-house mortgage division at the Property Circle. So if you need any help with any financing, contact us. The link is in the description below. And also the contractor that you're going to use on this one, like we said, is our contractor if the numbers add up.
Yeah.
So your due diligence, after this video, you're going to shoot to one of our properties and see what he's done at one of ours.
Yeah.
Good due diligence, that is. You can't get better than that, actually being on site, because he's nearly finished there as well.
Yeah.
So that's a good one. So show me around the house. Now, this is one of the 2 rooms that
Yeah.
we've just come into. What's the plans?
So with this room, I'm planning to take this wall out.
Okay.
So that and this chimney breast as well, and put the kitchen over here, so that this will be open plan.
Okay.
And I'm planning to take that chimney breast as well, so for the space.
Removing 2 chimney breasts and a wall.
Yeah.
So you do listen to what I say. Guys, chimney breast needs knocking out. The chimney breast has obviously comes out, that will be removed.
Chimney breast, unfortunately, is going to be staying because it's just not in the budget.
Not happy about it?
Unless.
Yeah, definitely, yeah.
That's good.
So yeah, this will be kitchen, and like we discussed, I might put the island as well to make sure I make a door over here to go to backyard. And this side, so this is old kitchen at the moment, but I'm planning to convert into an ensuite room.
Yeah.
So with everything, toilet, bathroom over here.
So that'll take it from a 2-bedroom into a 3-bedroom.
Yeah.
So when we go in there, guys, I'll show you what needs to be done in there, because we had a little walk around the house before we started the video, and we found that this wall was coming out, the 2 chimney breasts were coming out, and the original idea was to run the kitchen across there and here, wasn't it?
Yeah, exactly.
That's how the kitchen was going to be done. And then this was going to be a 3rd bedroom with an ensuite. Now, there's no access to the outside. So what I've suggested is this here is the door, and Duna, you all know who Duna is. Duna was the one who suggested that the kitchen then should go along there and not across here, because obviously the access to the garden, which we can't have in the bedroom. So if we have the kitchen along there and we put the island somewhere around where this sofa is, and the island can be the dining table as well. Exactly. We have a lovely open plan kitchen, diner and living space. Yeah. And then we have the 3rd bedroom down there.
Yep.
Okay, come into the 3rd bedroom because I'm going to show you where the wall needs moving in here.
Yep.
Now, that's the existing kitchen, and this was a utility room. This wall here needs to be removed, and it's only a stud wall, isn't it?
Yep, it is, yeah.
And the new wall needs to be built across here. That will be a bedroom. This will be the ensuite.
Exactly, yeah.
And that will add a lot of value to this property. I'm not sure we need a door going into the garden from the bedroom, if I'm completely honest, but that's something we'll discuss with the contractor.
Yeah.
And the space that this will add is amazing. It's a great building. It's a brick building, brick construction, so we don't need to do any extensions.
No.
We just need to make alterations. Is that what you had in mind?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Very good. Let's go upstairs. Master bedroom.
Yep.
What was your plans before I came here today to do with this room?
So this was just a master bedroom
Yep.
before you came in. Now you gave me the idea how we can split this and make two single bedrooms.
Yep. It's a great idea because there's a lot of space with this.
Yeah.
Once that's out, this is a huge room. I'm not sure the camera shows how big this actual room is, but if you split this into two single bedrooms and make two entrances,
Yeah.
then all of a sudden we're into a 4-bedroom property. We have the master bedroom there, which is a great size. Then we have 2 single bedrooms, which is more, these aren't single bedrooms. These are a lot bigger than single bedrooms.
Yeah.
And then downstairs, we have another bedroom with an ensuite.
Exactly.
So all of a sudden we've gone from a 2-bedroom to a 4-bedroom with an ensuite.
Yeah.
Great. Let's have a look at the master bedroom that will be. This will now be the master bedroom.
Yeah.
What's the plans in here?
So with this one, I'm going to take the chimney breast out
Yep.
and the small cupboard as well.
Okay.
So that I can add a space over here, and
Yep.
this will be a master bedroom. As you said, this is quite big enough for a master bedroom.
Spacious.
Yeah, spacious.
It's a huge room,
Yeah.
especially with that chimney breast out, it'll be even bigger.
Yeah.
Great property. I'm very proud.
Thank you very
because
much.
obviously you are one of our mentor students. We only have a handful, as you know,
Mm-hmm.
and to see your growth over the last 4 or 5 months has been incredible. And your portfolio now consists of 4 properties.
Yep.
Wow, sky's the limit.
Yes, exactly. Now the good thing is I still have investors coming in.
Okay.
And I'm looking to buy 3 more properties with the funds I have at the moment.
Yep.
So yeah, sky's the limit.
That was the goal we set, wasn't it?
Yes.
In one of our mentoring sessions, we said to you 3 by the end of the year.
Yep.
So do you think it's doable?
Absolutely. Yeah.
What do you think has separated you from everybody else?
Maybe action. Execute what I've learned from you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Without making excuses, execute and see the changes happening. So yeah.
The one thing I keep saying to people is when I tell you or Isabella tells you to do something, you do it.
Yeah.
So down to your social media. I've never seen someone take notes and literally action what we told you to do the same day. So your social media has been amazing, hasn't it? You've really, really put a lot of effort into that.
I appreciate it.
And that's what's given you the investors to come on board from seeing what you're doing. You're practicing what you preach.
Yeah.
What advice would you give anybody out there who is ready to do something but is not taking that step?
I would say just take action and just don't think about what other people might say. It's on you because other people won't look after your family. They won't pay the bills. So it's on you. You have to take the action and get the results.
Okay. Take note, guys, because this guy is actually doing what he says he is doing. First time I've been in this property today. Now, Nick, when he bought this property, I advised him on the purchase. I advised him on some ideas and bits and pieces, but obviously it's the first time I've seen it today. Now, I've advised him to turn it from a 2-bedroom into a 4-bedroom. This way, he will increase value massively. The bathroom needs fully renovating. The whole house needs renovating from start to finish. The budget is around £30,000. That is doable. The whole house needs new carpentry, new kitchen, new bathroom, a few stud walls moving and putting up. The banisters and stuff need replacing. He has taken on board every little bit of advice that we have given him. The whole house will have spotlights throughout. Everything will be neutral colours. Everything will be new, apart from the boiler. The boiler is in great condition, so there's a save in there. The house needs a rewire, and he's done amazing. It's a pleasure to have someone like Nick as a mentor student because he takes action and he listens to what we tell him. There is one slight concern here. So if you look, can you see how this is sloping? It's not good. It's all the way across. And it's something that worries me a little bit. Not worries me because of the structural, because we had a survey done. It worries me the cost of leveling it out. And if you go that way, please, Ams, and you look straight down here where the banister is, can you see how the banister is the same as well? Not good, but fixable. Quick recap, this will be a 2-bedroom, split room, one that side, one this side, master bedroom at the front, new bedroom at the back of the property with an ensuite, kitchen, diner, living room, all in one open plan, absolutely amazing. A door will be fitted in place of the window downstairs because we need access to the garden, and then full renovation will commence. There you have it, quick tour of the house, and now we're going to have a quick recap. So, the house is going to have a new kitchen,
Yes.
a new bathroom,
Yep.
2 new bathrooms.
Yes.
It's going to be plastered,
Yep.
spotlights throughout, all new carpentry,
Yep.
skirting boards, architrave, door frames, doors,
Yep.
and a full renovation,
The full renovation. Yeah.
but not back to brick.
Not back to brick. Yeah.
Okay, outside the house, what are you doing?
So outside the house, I'm gonna render the house.
Yep.
And change the external windows and doors, everything.
Brand new windows and
Yeah,
doors?
yeah.
Is there a colour you're thinking of going?
Grey.
And the render, what colour?
It's white.
Okay, so white render and grey windows and doors, brand new. Now guys, the rendering, because we're in Blackpool,
Yeah.
you can't have K render because the salt from the sea attacks it. So it's sand and cement and painting, which I presume you already knew that.
No, I have no idea. What
Okay, but that's what's going to happen here
Okay.
because that's what needs to be done. Now, we've gone from a 2-bedroom to a 4-bedroom,
Yes.
increasing the value. So, what was the purchase price?
The purchase price was 65,000.
And the renovation estimated?
30 grand.
Okay, so we're on 95 with stamp and legals around £100,000.
Yeah.
And what do you reckon the end value could be going from a 2-bedroom to a 4-bedroom?
So roughly now I'm thinking around 140 the end value.
Okay, conservatively.
Yeah, conservatively.
So if we
yeah.
say between 130 and 150,
Yep.
anywhere around there you'll be happy with, won't you?
Absolutely. Yeah.
Because when you refinance it, hopefully you can pull all your money out
Yeah.
and some,
Exactly. Yeah.
which will be great.
Absolutely amazing.
Okay, thank you very much for being
Thank you
here
for coming
today.
down. Really appreciate
I
it.
really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Quick video just to show you guys how to turn a 2-bedroom house into a 4-bedroom house and what it means to surround yourself with the right people, like-minded people, and people who are on the same mission as you or who have done what you're aiming to do. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I will see you soon for another video.